Winners are not people who do not fail, but people who never quit. And ito nga po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022 hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List na katabang na kasurug pa. And we are again live here inside the Daraga Covered Court in the beautiful municipality of Daraga, Albay. Sino kaya ang makakuha ng kanilang unang panalo as we take a look at Gibby Bueno from Tiwi and will battle out against Julius Tiburcio from Malinao. Who among these players will carry their team to achieve victory? Magandang hapon po. Ako nga po pala si Coach Kyle Marilla at sa aking tabi naman, Coach Reynel Manlangit. Magandang hapon, Coach Reynel.
Good afternoon din po sa iyo, Coach Kyle, and happy and blessed Sunday to all the viewers here at Daraga Covered Court and also to our social media platforms. Napakagandang laro nito, Coach, kasi pareha silang kailangan nilang manalo dito eh. Kasi in order to move to the second round, they have to win this game.
Ayan, tama nga yan. At para sa ating games at hand, Game 1, Tiwi versus Malinao. Game 2, Malilipot versus Tabaco. Game 3, Bakakay versus Santo Domingo. As we take a look at the team standing sa ating early part ng ating tournament, Coach Reynal, nakikita natin first district.
Yes, Coach, kung makikita natin, yung leading dito is yung Santo Domingo, also the Manlilipot, and the Bakakay. So, Tiwi and Malinao, Tabaco, kailangan talaga nilang manalo kasi para makamove sila to the second round, they have at least to win 4 or 5 wins. So, kailangan nilang bumawi today.
And right now, Coach Reynel, pasadahan din natin. Ano ba ang magiging istorya natin dito sa larong ito?
Of course, Coach, ang magiging story nito ay the closing deal. Ibig sabihin nito, kailangan nilang manalo para din sa kanilang mga supporters sa lugar nila.
Yeah, definitely. Because these two teams has lost their first game. So definitely, we have to expect that they going to bounce back dito sa kanilang susunod na panalo. As we take a look at our starting lineup, unahin natin ang Team Malinao.
Okay, so from Team Malinao, we have Tiburcio, number 6, Punsala, number 25, Seriola, number Blanca, number 5, and Liaco, number 40.
At puntahan naman natin ang 5 ng Tiwi right now.
So from Tiwi, we also have Gandol, number 13, Verano, number 9, Flores, number 6, Cepeda, number 2, and Rito, number 22.
And as we take a look at that first triple by Blanca to open up the scoring for this ball game.
Yes, Coach, expected naman talaga natin itong mangyayari kasi magpapaulan talaga dito ng mga tres eh.
Oo, definitely. Coming from Leo Copper Blanca, a veteran guy dito sa Team Malinao.
Yes, Coach, kasi nung college pa to, talagang shooters talaga to.
And again, hitting his second shot. All 6 points coming from one man.
Yes, Coach, same spot, same result.
And right now, hindi pa makabawi ang Team Tiwi. Blanca again. Dishing in kay Tiburcio.
Ang ganda, Coach, yung pasabit, no? Ang veteran play.
Seriola there fishing for a foul and he will troop to the line to take 2 free throws. Right now, Coach, etong dalawang koponan galing sa unang pagkatalo. If you going to coach these two teams, ano ang dapat mong sasabihin sa kanila para ma-motivate mo sila?
First thing na sasabihin ko sa kanila is they have to be hungry this game. Kasi kung hindi sila kailangan nila yung puso. Without the hearts, hindi sila mananalo. Hindi sila uuwi ng first district dito. Dapat masaya silang uuwi ngayon.
That is right. So, you have to put your heart and soul
Yes.
for this game.
Kaya medyo madugo to, Coach.
Oo. Gandol. Rito on the top.
Mukhang hindi pa nagpaparamdam, Coach, yung Gandol, no?
Cepeda for a 3. Short yun. Tiburcio tumatakbo. At nauna na dyan. At nakakuha ulit ng foul.
As you take a look, Coach, talagang yung opportunity nila sa transition talagang ginagamit na as early as of now.
And Lianco looking to add to this lead. He wants to make it a 10-point lead in this early going of our first. And he makes sure for his first free throw.
Yan yung sinasabi, ilista mo na, Coach.
Yung mga touch din talaga, Coach, ng player sa free throw, no?
Coach, talagang pinag-aralan yan.
And sa kabilang dako naman, Gandol looking to take the first crack of the basket para sa Team Tiwi.
Yun nga, parang pinipilit na ngayon ni Gandol, ah.
And again, yung unang laro nila, Coach Reynel, Team Tiwi, nakafocus ang opensa kay Gandol and na-stop sila ng Team Bakakay.
Yes, Coach. Kasi when I saw this kid last time, talagang nakakabaylo kahit nagdo-double team na. Pero I think the coaching this, grabe, Coach! Talaga tong Blanca.
Blanca with another triple. Pangatlo na yan. Blanca right now is 3 out of 3 from the 3-point field. And right now, how do you stop Blanca?
Just imagine, Coach, less than 1 minute pa lang or 2 minutes. Pero nagpukul na ng 3 tres, no? So, kailangan nilang mag-close out, i-challenge. Kailangan nilang bigyan ng pressure si Blanca.
Definitely, kailangan ngayon. Nakikita natin ang huddle. And right now, Team Tiwi having a premier coach with Coach Jay Rodriguez.
Meron. Andito na pala si Coach Jay.
Andito na sa kanila si Coach Jay. So, I guess this is a 13-0 run early here in the ball game. So, right now, what should Team Tiwi do para makapuntos na sila?
Yun ang pinakamagandang ginawa nila, Coach, is nag-timeout sila to stop the momentum. Okay? Then second is, ano yung next defense nila to stop the transition of the Malinaw?
And ang masakit pa doon, Coach Reynel, ang transition nung Team Malinaw is hitting the triple.
Yes! Yun ang mahirap, Coach.
Yun ang masakit doon. Transition 3 with Blanca hitting his first 3 shots. Gandol. Same position. Rito on the top. He takes a 3. Wala yun. Verano for the rebound. Gandol sa weak side. Gandol attacking. Dishing out to Verano. Finally,
Coach.
the first 2 points. At ayan na naman, Coach Reynel, yung sinasabi mong transition.
Ang ganda naman ng fake! Doon mo talaga makikita sa isang player yung basic play.
Kumbaga, ano lang, siguro mo lang ng konti yung tira, no?
Yes, Coach. Kasi usually talaga pag may defender, sasabay at sasabayan eh.
Cepeda to Gandol. Gandol looking to attack. Hindi niya na-convert yon. At sa kabilang dako naman, Liangco stepping on the gas with Daddy Pons with his first 2 points.
Observation ko, Coach, from defense to offense yung ginagawa ngayon ng Malinaw. Grabe.
Yeah. And right now, Gandol with his first basket.
Hopefully, makuha niya na yung rhythm, Coach.
Pero ang bola ay mananatili sa Team Malinaw with 14 seconds on their shot clock.
Ang mahirap dito, Coach, kung maging consistent yung Malinaw. So, they have to break the consistency of this team.
But in that last sequence, Punsalan is being consistent underneath.
Yes, Coach. Kahit yung mga veterans big man natin, gamit na gamit pa rin sa loob.
With under 7 minutes to go for our first quarter, lamang na ng 15 ang Malinaw. At yun, nakanakaw dun sila.
Yung mga Jose Alvarado. Ano yun, Coach? Sa NBA.
Tatago ka muna dun sa may bench. At hindi nila yun nakita. Gandol sa kabilang dulo. Cepeda kontra, dishing out to Verano. Sobra yon.
Ayun na naman, Coach, yung transition ng Malinaw, oh.
Blanca with a stop and pop. Unang mintisyon ni Blanca para sa ball game na ito. Flores securing the ball. Gandol stepping on the gas. Gandol zigzagging his way. Pero babalik yan kay Cepeda. Nakapulot ng foul doon kay Tiburcio.
The problem is here, Coach, is yung transition ng Tiwi. Si Gandol lang talaga eh. So, hindi pwede kasi kailangan niya din mag-kick out. Kailangan niya ng extra pass kasi yung big man dito mahirap eh.
And in that last occasion, nakita natin that is a 2-on-1 fast break. Kaya nahihirapan dun si Gandol at buti na lang na-recover ni Cepeda.
Yun ang maganda kasi yung big man nagte-tray, coach. So at least anticipated na niya na merong extra pass.
Mhm. And he can get the rebound para may
Yes.
another opportunity sila. Si Pedam missing his free throw.
Pang ilang rebounds na kaya to ni Idol Punsalan.
Good matchup yun, coach, no?
Oo, ang ganda yun.
Rito versus Punsalan. Blanca with another shot. Hindi lang yon, pero Punsalan. Tiburcio underneath with a second chance opportunity.
Yung sipag dito, coach, grabe. Kahit yung big man, wala sinasayang.
Yung dalawang mama
Yes,
ng
they-
Team Malinaw.
They crashing the boards, literally.
Rito. Nakalusot doon kay Punsalan.
Etong Rito, coach, bata pa, no?
Mhm.
Dito natin malalaman kung ano yung
Oo.
learnings na makukuha niya kay
Yes.
Punsalan.
Liangco to Tiburcio kontra kay Cepeda. Nasa wing. Liangco, nabitawan yung bola. Yung mga ganong instances, coach, no? Yung mga usual mistakes na mga player na makukunin mo pa lang yung bola pero nag-iisip ka na kung anong gusto mong
Yes,
gawin. And that
coach.
is why you're going to turn the ball over. Kaya so, make sure muna na masalo mo yung bola.
Yes, bawa ka sa decision na gagawin mo.
Oo.
Yung excitement kasi yung coach,
Oo, yung ano ba? Advance mag-isip.
Yes.
Rito, nakapulot na naman ng foul and
That's a very veteran move, coach, na ginawa niya.
Tiburcio with his second personal foul, and Rito will head to the line to shoot 2 free throws. And talagang medyo parang may takip ang ring
Mahirap.
netong Team Tiwi.
Actually, coach, nahihirapan silang butasin eh.
Is that because of the defense of Malinaw right now?
Precisely, coach, kasi nandun yung pressure sa kanila eh. So, they have to make a basket.
So an early adjustment here for Team Malinaw with Tiburcio. Will sit out on the bench because of his 2 personal fouls, and Bobis will check in for him.
And that's a good substitution, coach.
Moving screen there for Bobis. Nakapasok lang pero nakapulot ka agad ng foul. Yung mga screenplay na ganun, coach, di ba? Dapat minsan yung screenan mo before moving. He must make sure na nakaset na yung screen.
Yes, coach, kasi yung proper screen ang pinaka-importante, most especially sa high screen. Kasi nandun yung movement eh, yung
Oo.
action.
Yung nangyari dun in the last sequence, gumalaw na kaagad si Blanca
Yeah.
na hindi pa nakaset up.
Yes,
So that is
coach.
why natawagan sila ng moving screen. But babalik ang bola sa mga nakadilaw. Punsalan with his short stab. Wala yon. At Flores, Gandol nag-iisa doon. Lilipad at
Wala.
nabitin yung layup.
Medyo malas-malas yung Sunday ngayon eh. Gandol ah.
And again mga kasurog, we are inviting you here live sa Daraga Covered Court, and you can also watch us or you can follow us sa aming Ako Bicol Online TV. Napapanood nyo kami dyan live with Ako Bicol Party List page and sa kay Representative Saldico.
Ang daming choices, coach.
Oh, ang daming choices.
Ang daming choices.
Pero isa lang din naman na maririnig nyo dyan. Kaming dalawa.
Kaming mga pogi.
Ikaw lang yon. Sa corner, Liangco, aatake. Pero
Kailangan ko na kayong coach magyabang kasi mamaya yung susunod sa akin mas mayabang.
oo, ang mga kasama ko din mamaya si Coach Ranji. And now, Team Malinaw asking for time with 3 minutes and 26 seconds to go for our first frame. Team Malinaw leading by 15 points right now. Ano yung ginagawang maganda ng Team Malinaw right now, Coach, kung bakit meron silang kalamangan na 15 ngayon?
The reason why because of their defense, coach. And yung opportunity to take the advantage of this transition, coach, hindi nila sinasayang. Secondly, they crashing the boards. And
Yun.
put back. Lahat ginagawa ng mga big mans to lead this game.
And that is because of the 2 big guys of Team Malinaw, which is Tiburcio and Punsalan. the inside presence of these two is very they are taking advantage underneath.
Yes, coach. And also, meron na silang chemistry kasi naglaro na tong dalawa before.
But right now, as we take a look at Team Tiwi, sasandalan pa rin nila dyan ang kanilang main guy na si Mark Anthony Gandol, who played for the Bicol Volcano sa MPBL. So definitely a big factor for him, yung experience niya playing doon sa big league na yon.
Yes, coach. Kasi also yung Blanca coach
Oo,
Diba?
sabay sila eh.
Sabay sila Mas nauna lang coach pumutok ngayon ganun
Blanca.
talaga.
Villamonte. Rito. Masyadong miscommunication there for the Team Tiwi. Pero babalik sa kanila ang bola. Gandol from the corner. Wala yon. Ang rebound ay mapupunta sa Team Malinaw. And ayan na naman, coach, ang transition ni Blanca. Lilipad. Sobra lang yon. Pero Bobbies,
It's because of the recognition of the big man coach.
alam nilang meron silang tatakbo eh.
Yes,
Just throw the ball, bahala na sila dyan.
Ito yung big man na pass first.
Pass first. Yun din naman, coach. Alam ko, you are coaching 18 below, mga bata pa.
Yes, coach.
Yun
Even
ang
the 25 below.
Oo, yun ang mga minsan na dapat gawin ng mga big man natin na you have to secure the ball first. Huwag na mag-dribble kasi ang tendency minsan maaagawan ka.
Yes, coach. Kasi yung mga guards natin ngayon, yung pressure,
Oo.
grabe. So, given naman sa atin dito sa mga Filipino na yung mga big mans natin hindi naman masyado
Oo.
gagaling sa dribbling.
Sa dribbling. So, but definitely yan ang ginagawa ni Punsalan right now. Pinapakita niya. Sinisecure niya yung munang yung bola and he is looking for an open man.
Yes, coach. And I think this is also a part of their game plan. I-return rin kasi yung observation ko.
Gandol on the free throw line.
Basket. Kailangan makuha ni Gandol yung rhythm niya ngayon for them to at least close the gap of their scores.
And maybe he can do so by hitting these free throws. At
Yes.
yun na nga, at na-score yun ni Gandol. And right now, Team Malinaw enjoying a 17-point lead kontra dito sa Team Tiwi. Bobbies open momentarily there. At merong 3 seconds violation na naitawag sa Team Malinaw.
Maganda sana coach yung mga extra passes nila. The problem is medyo nag-a-adjust na ng defense yung Tiwi.
Gandol on the corner. Alusan. Hindi matinag ron si Punsalan.
Bumangga, giba ka coach dyan Grabe.
Pero ang bola ay mananatili sa mga naka-asul.
Just imagine coach.
Merong foul pala.
Merong foul.
In that last sequence, natawagan ng foul doon si Punsalan.
And I
At-
think that is his first personal
Yes.
foul. So wala pang problema naman
The
dyan.
same story, yung first game nitong Team Malinaw, the foul trouble story. So far ngayon, si Tiburcio with 2, Punsalan with 1. So again, pwede, the history may repeat itself.
Pwede coach. So they have to take care their fouls.
At merong konting push na nakita doon sa ilalim.
Kitang-kita ni Rep yun.
Bobbies, another big man with his second personal foul. Capos will check in for this ball game. Papalitan muna niya si Seriola.
Yes, this is another big man coach ng Team Malinaw.
Right now, coach, penalty ang Team Malinaw and Team Tiwi is in the free throw line. They must convert those free throws.
Yes, coach, and they also push the ball sa transition nila kasi they have to take disadvantage na penalty na yung Malinaw.
Blanca kontra kay Villamonte. Blanca, ang ganda nung hanap doon, coach.
Ang ganda rin yung coach ng cut niya.
Oo, yun ang sinasabi natin na moving without the ball.
Ganda nung backdoor nun
Open dun sa corner. Bitin yon. With 1 minute and 8 seconds to play for the first quarter. Gandol open. At yun na nga, ang sinasabi na hinahanap nating rhythm ni Gandol.
Possibly, coach, titira ng titira na yan kasi nakukuha niya na yung nagpapainit lang yan.
And I talk kanina kay Coach Jay Rodriguez. Sabi niya sa akin, Gandol, binigay niya yung green light kay Gandol na to take those 3-point shots.
Yes, of course, coach. Kahit sino naman na magiging coach nito, ibibigay mo talaga yung green light kasi yung capacity and yung kalidad ng larong ng batang to.
And right now, because of that 3 points of Gandol, this is only a 13-point ball game with under a minute to go for our first frame. Ponsalan kontra kay at natawagan dun ng foul.
Just imagine, coach, isang buong quarter na naglalaro yung Punsalan, no?
Si Ayusan. This is a bit of hard stopping on the part of Ponsalan because of his build and with his footwork.
Yes, coach. And also the strength.
The
Kasi
strength.
nakikita niya, siya yata yung pinaka-veteran dyan eh. So, he's using his veteran move and yung IQ.
But, nagkaagawan doon. At hindi nagkaamuyan doon. Coach, ang Team Tiwi. Wala nang jumpers doon. Yung Team Malinaw, 3 na lang sila na nandoon.
Hindi sila nag-amuyan,
Oo.
coach. Kahit pala dito, nag-aagawan din, no?
At ayun, knockout play. Wala lang, hindi lang yun na-convert.
Ang ganda
But-
ng lampas.
He steps on the line. At ang bola ay mananatili sa Team Malinaw with 41.3 seconds on our game clock.
Yun, coach, oh, simple play. Paulit-ulit na play yun kasi taking the advantage ng mismatch eh.
Gandol sa kabilang dulo kontra kay Villamonte. Gandol zigzagging his way at meron pang foul na nakuha doon kay Punsalan at ang masakit doon. Punsalan now with 2 fouls.
Yes, coach. Kahit ako kung gwardiya ako, pipihit na ako dito eh kasi 2 fouls na to eh. And that's a beautiful move by Gandol, coach. That's the half step from Richie Rivero.
Blanca being hounded by a big pick. Blanca, Villamonte with a fake. Driving, scoop layup is good for Vil.
Ang ganda ng pihit ng bata.
Oh, right. In that last occasion, hindi pala si Villamonte yon.
As I said a while ago, coach, if you are the guard, kailangan mo talagang ipihit ng ipihit kasi kailangan mo ma-foul trouble tong big man na to eh.
And the last layup was made by Bon Codin. And Gandol right now, this is his 4th attempt on free throw line.
Makasog.
8 seconds on our clock for this first frame. Gandol looking to trim the lead to 12 points. And he do so. And pwedeng last possession na to ng Malinaw. Blanca with a 3. At pabanda ang tira, making that 3 points. That's the 4th 3 points of Blanca here in our game. And sa ating pagtatapos ng ating unang yugto ng bagpakan, ang ating score, 23-38. Lamang po dyan ang Malinaw. Magbabalik po kami para sa second quarter of action. Ito po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol, Tabang Ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List, Asimgan Action Call Center.
And we are back sa ating second quarter labanang Team Malinaw versus Team Tiwi. We welcome you all sa ating live coverage ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022 with Team Malinaw leading by 15 points kontra sa Team Tiwi. Ako pa rin po ang kasama nyo, Coach Kyle with Coach Reynel. Gandol all alone for his layup.
That's the problem, Coach, kapag napa-excite ka. Now, Coach, let's talk about the top best player of this quarter. For Team Malinaw, Blanca with 12 points and 2 assists, and also Punsalan for 8 points, 4 rebounds, Coach, 2 assists and 1 steal. And for Team Tiwi, we have Gandol with 10 points, 1 assist and 1 steal.
And yung 12 points na yun ni Blanca courtesy of that
3 points.
3 points doon sa kanyang first quarter. Rito. Tiburcio kontra kay Rito. On the wing, wala. At ang bola ay mapupunta sa mga taga-Dilaw.
Another transition.
At hindi lang yun, nasalo doon sa kabila. Nakikita natin nagdidictate ng pace ngayon ay ang Team Malinaw, Coach.
Yes, Coach. Yun ang game plan nila ngayon eh.
Verano.
And as you can see, Coach, yung defense nila, they pressuring the Team Tiwi na puro lang sila tumira sa labas eh.
Blanca. This is only a 11-point ball game. Blanca kontra kay Gandol. And good curl by Tiburcio, scoring his the second shot by Tiburcio.
Good recognition ng isang guard to the big man.
Another turnover there for the Team Tiwi. And ayun,
Look at the transition, Coach. No?
Blanca with his 14th point for this ball game. Verano. Andyan kasama niyo din si Cepeda. Rito, Gandol. Gandol sa corner.
Yung transition talaga ng Malinaw.
Ang ganda ng drop pass ni Bongko din doon.
Ang ganda ng behind the back, Coach, no?
Inintay niya munang mag-react yung depensa before giving that ball. Kasi kung pinasa niya yung bigla, ang tendency nun, mababasa ng depensa, di ba?
That's what you call, Coach, at the right place, at the right time.
Oo. And Bobis right now troops to the line for his 2 free throws.
Not only the Blanca lang, Coach, yung sa transition, no? Even the other players can run also.
We are under 8 minutes sa ating second quarter of action. Tanda mga kasurog, ito pa lang po ang ating first game at meron pa tayong susunod na 2.
Yes, kailangan nilang abangan yon kasi ang gandang mga laban yun eh.
Cepeda missing his layup. Boncodin, another good pass kay Blanca with his jumper. At nakuha niya yun, yung friendly bounce.
Yes, Coach. Outside and inside presence, no?
And Gandol right now for his 3. He misses though. At Rito umaatake with his finger roll. Ayun na naman. Ang bilis-bilis ng transition yung sinasabi mo kanina.
Coach! I think this is the plan of this game nila. Akala ko yung punsa lang yung marunong mag-record. Ready na naman sanang mag-fast break.
And right now, Mukhang nag-pick up din ang transition pero yung rebound and he was asking for a foul. Gandol stepping on the gas, nabitawan at tatawagan siya doon ng double dribble.
I think it's a part of fatigue factor na rin, coach.
Hindi
Kahit-
hindi pa pinapahinga si Gandol, no?
Yes, coach. Almost same sila ni Blanca eh. Ang mas mahirap sa kanya, nahirapan pa siya makabasket.
Boncoden attacking. Andyan na naman si Tiburcio. Villamonte.
That's a beautiful pass, coach. Ginawa ni Villamonte.
A little two-man game.
Yes.
And right now, naibaba din ang kalamangan ng Tiwi. Ng Malinaw rather. Sa only 13 points.
Ano kaya yung magiging adjustment nila ngayon? Kasi they are sticking in 1-3-1 offense, coach. As I observe.
Rito with a putback. Another one. Finally, Rito getting his 2 points.
Kung okay rito, kailangan niyang samantalin to habang wala yung punsalan.
Blanca. Boncoden for 3. Short yun. And si Peda securing that rebound. At tatakbo sila. Pero sabi ni Villamonte, wait lang.
Kailangan nating mag-set muna kasi
Oo.
hindi to kaya, partner.
And ang kagandahan, ang bilis makababa ng depensa ng Team Malinaw.
Yes, yung secondary transition defense nila, coach.
But si Peda there, breaking the defense, attacking in the middle with his jumper. Another layup for Blanca. And that is the 16th point of Blanca right now with 5 minutes to go in our second quarter. Right now, there's no stopping in Blanca.
Yes, coach, kasi ang problema dito sa Malinaw, nag-iisip silang mag-score. Ang pinaka-importante dito to stop the Blanca.
And yun nga ang nagiging problema din dito sa Team Tiwi. And Boncoden challenging the defense of Rito and he came victorious there sa last sequence. A good block by Tiburcio. And good help para
Yung extra effort ng defense ng Malinaw, coach, yun ang medyo mahirap dito eh.
And I guess right now with Team Malinaw calling for time, again, this is only a 13-point lead. Kailangan na ba magkaroon, Coach Reynel, ng Team Tiwi ng a little bit of sense of urgency?
Yes, coach, I think kung ano yung pacing na ginagawa ng Malinaw, kailangan nilang tapatan kasi when it comes sa mga players, almost the same, coach eh. Kaso naunahan lang sila ng pacing ng Malinaw. That's why ganito yung nangyayari eh. But it's a very good timeout ng coach kasi ayaw nilang maging single digit na lang yung lead.
And what about, Coach, yung rebounding game natin? And right now, alam ko leading sa rebound battle ang Team Malinaw because of that second chances nila kanina.
The problem ng mga young guns kasi ngayon, coach, is wala silang backs out. If they have the backs out, coach, probably pwedeng makuha nila yung palaging offensive rebound and defensive rebounds nila.
So yun nga ang dahilan kung bakit ang Team Malinaw is enjoying a 13-point lead right now. Pero nasa second quarter pa lang naman tayo.
Medyo mahaba pa ito, coach. We can tell kung ano yung mangyayari. Whatever happens, they have to play the game.
Inilabas muna si Blanca and Gandol sa magkabilang koponan. Boncoden to Tiburcio. Wala doon. Boncoden for his 3. Hindi pa ma-convert yon ni Boncoden. Now Kotara. Risky pass yun. Doon. Tiburcio zigzagging his way. Wala yon. Pipihit doon at merong foul na nakita ang ating referee. Cabilis with his first foul. At mananatili ang bola sa Team Malinaw with 15 seconds on their shot clock.
Finally, pinagpahinga na rin Coach yung Blanca, no? Kasi they really need him in the last two remaining.
And Coach, you want always to have a fresh leg sa mga players mo?
Yes, Coach. Kasi in the final quarter, Coach, dyan mo masusubukan talaga kung hanggang saan yung capacity ng laro niya.
And right now, Team Tiwi, a good sign for them. Nakikita natin, they are having a transition plays right now, but unfortunately, they are not making it.
Yes, Coach. So, the advantage of having the transition, Coach, at least make a basket. At least mag-commit sila ng foul to get at least two free throws.
And as we take a look at Coach Jay Rodriguez with the Team Tiwi, designing a play and looking to trim this lead down with 3 minutes and 41 seconds to go in our first half. Pero Coach, ano yung magandang ginagawa rin ng Tiwi even with this lead?
Ang kinaganda ng TV dito kasi hindi sila totally nagkukolapse. Kasi the more na meron pang tao sila, the more na merong gandol, at least they are battling inside and the transition. And the problem lang is kailangan nilang ma-convert ng maayos.
And they are first forcing turnover sa kabilang kupunan. Yun nga na sinasabi ni Coach Reynel, they are not converting those attempts off turnovers.
Yes, Coach. And this is the problem, Coach, kasi binalik na ulit yung punsalan.
And we are seeing a full court pressure dito sa Team Tiwi. Suddenly, nagpipress sila.
This is 1-2-1-1 press.
At yun nga, ay nagtagumpay sila doon. Villamonte dishing that pass to their big man. And only an 11-point lead.
Maganda yung ginawa ni Coach J eh. Kasi alam nilang pagod na yung Malinaw eh.
Oo. Seriola. Napalakas lang doon ni Boncodin at sa kabilang dulo, Gandol. At nakakuha pa ng layup. Ang gandang dukot doon ni Gandol with his trick shot there. At meron pa sang tsansa na maibaba ang Kalamangan sa 10 with this 3 free throw shot.
So ayan na Coach, pinasok na yung Blanca kasi kailangan nila ng magdadala ng bola dito eh. Kasi kailangan nilang may transfer yung bola into their court.
Yes, definitely because of the pressure right now by Team Tiwi. Another risky pass, but Tiburcio stopped and hopping and making the 2 points. Under 3 minutes to go here in our first half. Kotara on top. Kotara open momentarily pero binigay niya dun sa ilalim. Villamonte with a short stab at hindi pa rin makakonvert yan ng Team Tiwi. Blanca looking to go. Pero na-fall siya dun ni Gandol.
Nahirapan yung Gandol ng yung lateral defense niya. Coach, medyo na late ng konti. That's why nag-commit siya ng foul dun eh. And ito yung sinasabi ko nga medyo napagpahinga ng konti.
Ponsalan off the glass for 2.
Paparamdam na naman ulit yung punsalan eh.
Kotara kontra kay Boncodin. Ayusan.
That's a good cut, Coach.
Kotara open for 3.
Andiyan na naman yung transition.
4 versus 1 transition.
At yun ang sinasabi ko, Coach, hindi na sinasayang yung transition nila.
Nakita mo, Coach, Tiburcio and Punsalan trailing and joining the transition. Mumintis man niya yun, mayroon pa rin silang chance because Tiburcio and Punsalan is right there, right there.
Yes, Coach. And actually, nakukuha na lang yung momentum from first to second. So, medyo kailangan pa rin ulit mag-adjust ng konti ng Tiwi.
But unfortunately for Team Tiwi, they are making a mini run pero na-stop agad sila ng Team Malinaw with, again, a 15-point lead for Team Malinaw and Gandol dancing with Villamonte. Good find yun ni Tiburcio. Punsalan with a jumper. Short yun. Pero andon sa ilalim si Capus.
Yung second chance points dito, coach, yung medyo kailangan din nilang ma-stop and also to control the offensive rebound of this team eh. Kasi napapansin ko talagang rebounds dito yung X-factor eh.
Ayusan. And again, Coach, Team Tiwi are exchanging basket dito sa Team Malinaw.
Of course, coach, kasi para hindi to lumobong lamang na to eh.
Again, another good passing on the part of Team Malinaw. Boncodin hitting that shot.
Yung mga unselfish play pa nitong Malinaw. Ayan na naman, coach, oh.
At si Gandol, mukhang napapagod si Gandol.
Yes, and medyo frustrated na rin siya.
Oo. Capus. At ayan si Punsalan.
As I said a while ago, coach.
Another second chance opportunity. Another
Yes.
offensive rebound para dito sa Team Malinaw.
So, they have to limit the offensive rebound of Malinaw. Kailangan nila, coach, makipagpatayan talaga dito.
Kaya lang nila, they have to push Punsalan and Tiburcio outside the shaded area para hindi makapulot ng mga ganong rebound. Kasi pagka nasa ilalim ng ganon si Tiburcio and Punsalan, talagang simpleng-simple na lang.
Yes, coach, kasi dalawa lang yan eh. Either basket or
mag-foul.
magpa-foul ka lang. At saka ito pa rin yun, nag-foul ka, basket pa rin. So, wala ka bubutan talaga
So
nito.
definitely, ang kailangan mong gawin is to deny the big man, backs out, and
Yes,
push
Lord.
them outside the shaded lane.
Yes. Ito na naman.
40 seconds to go here in our first half. Gandol with a sidestep. At ayan na naman, tumatakbo. Pero Flores deflecting that intercepting that pass. At nakapulot siya ng foul doon.
Yung court vision ng big man na Tiburcio, coach, magaling to eh. Palibasa, he came from a very good school coach from Naga City, which is the Naga College Foundation.
Gandol missing. And right now, with 24.4 seconds, nag-foul pa yung Team Tiwi. Penalty na sila.
Penalty na sila, coach. Ito yung medyo mahirap. Instead na dapat ma-penalty yung sa kabila, medyo naiiba yung sitwasyon ngayon, coach eh.
And right now, Coach Reynel, this is a 19 big point lead para sa Team Malinaw.
Yung start sana nung second quarter nila, medyo maganda sana eh.
Oo. Because of that trap,
Trap.
yung kanilang full court press, pero hindi nga na-sustain. At ang early adjustment yon on the part of Team Malinaw, checking in si Blanca.
Yes, instead of magta-timeout, coach, hindi na. Nag-substitute lang sila. At least ma-secure lang yung bola.
And kasi Team Malinaw right now, I don't know kung andyan na yung isa si Gabion, Noriel Gabion, ano lang point guard.
Oo.
Pero sabi ni Blanca, take over muna ako.
Yes.
Verano.
Gagamitin ko
From
muna
the
yung
corner.
experience ko sa MPBL.
At ayan, tumatakbo na naman ang Malinaw with under 10 seconds to go. Ayusan, challenge by Tiburcio. At natawagan pa ng foul doon si Tiburcio. And that is his third personal foul.
Yes, and kailangan niya nang mag-ingat, coach, kasi they still have 2 remaining quarters. So, kailangan siya.
Binigay niya na lang sana yung layup na yun. Or
Yes,
dinayuan, challenge ka na lang, honest defense, walang foul. Because under 10 seconds na lang yung first half.
Medyo parang gusto niya rin talagang pakita yung defense niya, coach. So, medyo gusto niya magpakita ng ability sa depensa.
Ayusan missing his free throw. Now Tiburcio. At napalakas yun.
One thing I see this player, coach, yung palagi nating kalaban sa Divine.
At nakita ko si Derek doon. Parang kinabahan si Derek doon.
Mukhang tatamaan yung...
Tatamaan yung monitor. Pero
medyo mahal-mahal pa naman yung mga gamit ni Derek.
And at the end of our first half of action, Team Malinaw right now enjoying a 19-point lead with our score 64-45. Alamang po dyan ang Malinaw. Magbabalik po kami para sa halftime analysis. Ito po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya. O kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol. Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List. Asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Nag-oran ako sa imo! Ara mo may akong anak kitag-relasyon ka!
Para mo palang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sa ko.
Still live here inside the Daraga covered court sa munisipyo ng Daraga, Albay, and you are watching Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Nasa halftime po tayo ngayon ng laban ng Team Malinaw versus Team Tiwi with Team Malinaw leading by 19 big points. Now, Coach, puntahan natin, ano ba ang nangyari sa ating first half? Paano nakakuha ng lamang na ganitong kalaki ang Team Malinaw?
Yes, Coach. It's because the big man. Kasi yung big man nila, they recognizing their guards. That's why they created the early offense, which is the transition. Kung wala yung mga galing na guards, big man dito, useless yung magiging guards natin dito. And ang pinakamaganda sa mga guards dito, they are converted all their points here. So they're taking the advantage of having this situation. The problem naman ng isang ng Tiwi is they have to at least maging consistent sila sa depensa nila kasi binubutas na sila, coach eh. And secondly, yung mga players nila parang humihina yung loob.
And right now, yun nga nakikita natin. Pero Coach, puntahan naman natin ang scoring leaders natin at the end of our first half.
So Coach, let's talk about the leaders or scoring leaders ng Team Malinaw. Blanca, which is 20 points, 1 rebound, and 3 assists. Tiburcio with 10 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, and 1 steal. Punsalan, 12 points and 5 rebounds. Ito medyo mahirap. Talagang leading scorer ng Tiwis. Gandol, which is 19 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, 1 steal. And Rito, yung big man nila, they have 9 points and 4 rebounds.
At ayun na nga ang ating scoring leaders para sa pagtatapos ng ating first half. Magbabalik po kami para sa third quarter of action ng labanang Team Malinaw versus Team Tiwi. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya. O kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol. Itabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito ka na ko Bicol Party List. Asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Nag-oran ako sa imo. Aram mo may akong anak gipagrelasyon ka.
Aram mo lang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sako. Tababangon o katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin ang magulang niya.
Kung dito sa maskara, wala kitis yung din. Ang pangitan na sa amon, mga sabiyo na sana.
Kung di sana nagadag sa akin, wala man ako sa iya magad sa pinto.
And we are back sa ating bakbakan. First game po ito sa aming Sundays Best of Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Ako pa rin po ang kasama ninyo, Coach Kyle Marilla, at sa aking tabi naman, Coach Reynel Manlangit.
Yes, Coach. So, maganda yung laro nito kasi yun ang problema.
And yung naghahabol na team committing their first turnover here early sa ating third quarter, Tiburcio.
I also see the frustration of this player, Coach. Kasi medyo galing sila. They came from the losing game, which is medyo mahaba yung lamang. And now, kailangan nila sanang manalo. But the problem is, halos the same and repeat history na mangyayari.
At yun, natawagan another turnover there for the Team Tiwi.
That's early.
Cruzana
Two turnovers.
was called for an illegal pick. Liangco kontra kay Gandol. Punsalan versus Rito. Punsalan with a jumper. Another 2 points for Punsalan.
Using the board. That's very effective move as a big man.
And Rito on the top to William Monte kontra kay Liangco. Rito. It's short stab, wala doon. Ayan na naman, tumatakbo na naman ang mga nakadilaw.
It's 2-on-1 situation, Coach.
And the basket will not count at merong naitawag na foul doon sa last sequence. And Liangco will troop to the line for his 2 shots. And right now, Coach, opening up this third quarter, sadly 23 points na to.
Medyo mahirap na to, Coach, kasi yung consistency ng defense ng Malinaw andyan. Although nakita natin nagbago ng depensa yung Tiwi, nagman-to-man sila ngayon. The problem is, magkakaroon ulit yan ng mga mismatch. So at least medyo anticipated sila sa mga ganyang situation.
Ayun na nga ang susubukan ng Team Tiwi na maibaba itong kalamangan. Liangco missing his second throw. William Monte, on the other hand, looks to attack. William Monte. Ang ganda doon.
Ang ganda ng hop step na ginawa ng bata.
From the right going to his left.
Yes. Tsaka yung medyo yung mini fake na ginawa niya.
Oo.
That's another fake, Coach.
Oo. And the Team Tiwi asking for a traveling there. Liangco, binabantayan si Gandol. Good strip. And Liangco reacting there, pero he acknowledges agad yung kanyang foul.
Maganda yun to kasi, Coach. Instead na blanca yung magbabantay.
Oo. Kasi mapapagod siya kung babantayan si Gandol. So,
And this is a good defender naman yung Liangcong to
Liangco. And walang mapasahan. William Monte. Rito sa corner with his 3-ball. Pero sa kabilang dulo, ayun, rumaragasa. Blanca. Katulad ng parang ulan lang na rumaragasa ngayon. Good drop of pass. At mababalik ang bola sa Team Malinaw.
It's 4-on-3 situation, Coach. Grabe yung...
Ayun na nga, nakikita natin yung frustration ni Gandol. Gandol wants to take over for this ball game. Yun nga lang, yung mga dish passes niya, yung mga drop-off passes niya, ay di nako-convert ng kanyang mga kampe.
Yes, yun ang kailangan talagang mangyari ngayon eh.
Si Peda. Yun, finally,
Finally, kabutas.
for si Peda, making
Pero-
that layup.
Medyo light na rin yung defense coach kasi kailangan na rin mag-ingat ng dalawang big ones ang ano eh.
You are definitely right, Coach Reynel. Nakikita din natin na medyo... So, right now, this team, Tiwi, must attack the heart of the defense of Team Malinaw with Tiburcio and Punsalan having a two fouls apiece.
Actually coach, yung advantage in transition nila, yun din na magiging fatigue factor ng Malinaw. So at least medyo sa depensa hindi na nakakahabol. So take the advantage of getting inside the basket. At least medyo kahit mag-commit tayo, mawala yung isa dyan, yan ang magiging problema ng Malinaw.
But yung Malinaw, hindi nila hinahayaan na maibaba ang kalamangan. Rito, binalik kay Gandol. Gandol to si Peda, back to Gandol at nablangka lang doon. Pero mabuti na lang at andon si Rito. At ayan na naman ang leak out pass.
Etong player na to coach, may naalala kong palagi nating kalaban sa
Oo.
divide.
Oo. Tapos, and ano no, parang reflection din to ni Kevin Love eh.
Yes.
Ayun nga lang, hindi siya nag-chest pass. Tiburcio showing his range pero hindi niya yun ma-shoot. William Monte looking to attack.
That's a good pass coach. And another pass.
And again, the transition defense of Team Malinaw.
Actually, nandoon na coach yung transition. Yung pag-convert na lang yung problema. What a beautiful cut. And also the pass.
A nice backdoor cut there by Blanca. And si Tiburcio talaga yung court vision niya. Yung kagaya nga sinasabi mo, a tremendous guy with his size and having a good court vision. I mean, hindi nga good eh. Excellent court vision.
Yes, coach. Kasi iba yung liga sa Nagang nilalaroan nito eh. The competition is there. So that's why ganito yung nagiging result ng laro niya. And also, he came from the good school, which is the Naga College Foundation. That's another 3-point play for Rito. Nakakadalawang tres na rin tong batang to.
Liangco kontra kay Gandol. Nasa corner si Capus. And I'm right, si Capus nga yung nasa corner doon. And we have a timeout here. Malinaw asking for a ceasefire with 5 minutes and 31 seconds for our third quarter. And right now, coach, wala din natin nakikita yung adjustment ng Team Tiwi towards the transition plays or transition offense of Team Malinaw.
Hopefully, we'll see the confidence to convert their possession, coach. Kasi I think that's the last problem na lang ng Tiwi. The conversion of their possession. So hopefully magawa nila.
And right now, coach, eto naman on the part of Team Malinaw, what do you think they must do to sustain or to be on the lead going to that last buzzer?
Yun nga, yung transition, hindi na nai-stop coach eh. So at least maging consistent sila dito and also the offensive rebounds.
Yes. Yun na nga ang gagawin dyan ng Team Malinaw. As the unit for the Team Malinaw right now, Punsalan, Tiburcio, Seriola, Blanca, and Liangco. Babantayan sila ng Villamonte. Gandol, Rito, Cepeda, and Flores. And he steps on the line.
Nadulas lang yung Tiburcio, pero may maganda sana itong gagawin.
And We can see the support from our crowd right now kahit nag-start tayo ng 1 p.m. pero definitely they are here to support their teams. They are here to support their favorite players na andito ngayon.
Yes, actually coach, kahit family day to,
Oo.
andito pa rin sila to support their favorite players and also their own team.
Yes. Si Peda with the jump. Ang taas din ng talon. Villamonte skying high for that rebound. And naibalik kay si Peda yung bola at na-convert niya ang tira niya.
You know coach, the good thing of having this kind of league, may discover kang mga galing na players, no?
And another one, yung mga bata, mga player, they get the chance to play with these veteran guys na talagang marami kang matututunan.
Yes, so coach, because of the exposure coach. So, ang laking tulong nitong ligang to eh. And hopefully talagang duro-diretso na tong ligang to,
And
coach.
eto po ang napapanood nyo, ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid sa inyo yan ni Representative Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. At syempre, you can watch us live sa Ako Bicol Online TV, sa Ako Bicol Party List, and sa page ni Representative Saldico. So you don't forget to hit the like, comment, and share button para maabot natin ang mga kasurug nating Bicolano all around the world.
Yes, para maging updated sila sa lahat ng games ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Nakakatawa to coach minsan kasi kahit nasa kanto, hawak yung phone, akala mo kung anong pinapanood, eto pala.
And again, we want to thank the people of Ligao for the two-day schedule namin doon.
Ang ganda coach ng court ng
Yes.
Ligao. Pwede nang i-held doon yung mga professional league.
Akala mo may artista na nandun eh, sa sobrang dami ng tao.
Ang akala ko nga coach, para na kayong doon na balita ko nga meron nagkakagusto na doon sa coach.
At ayan na nga si Villamonte.
Ito yung medyo mahirap din sa pagiging ganito.
Si Peda, si Tiburcio, knowing na meron siyang 3 foul pero sinasabayan niya pa yung mga ganong layup. He will definitely not give up the easy 2 points for the team. Tiwi. Tiburcio with the layup. Gandol with the running start. Gandol loses the basketball at mababalik yan sa mga nakadilaw at matatawagan lang ng traveling doon.
Yes, coach. Pansin ko talagang medyo mailap yung bola ngayon kay Gandol, coach, no?
And ipapahinga muna ng Team Malinaw si Blanca. Checking in is Praxidio. Team Tiwi with the possession. Villamonte. Ngayon naka 2-3 zone ang Team Malinaw, coach.
Yes, coach.
And Gandol hesitating. Kick out kay Flores sa wing. And he makes the 3-point shot.
Actually, maganda yung pinapakita ngayon ni Gandol. So, kailangan lang talagang ma-convert ng teammates niya. Just the last play, coach.
And right now, we have the profile here of Julius Tiburcio. Yun na nga, yung magaling na big man natin with the excellent court vision. Yun pala, former player of Letran
Oh.
and former player of Perpetual and former player of NCF, Naga College Foundation. Yun nga, very decorated player and talagang aasahan din natin ang experience niya. Villamonte missing his 3-point shot. At sa kabilang dulo, Bonkodin tatakbo dyan.
Wala sila, coach. As you can see, yung mga transition nila, more on talagang unselfish play. And another basket from Punsalan.
Oo, may kasama pang foul. And right now, medyo naibaba na ang kalamangan ng Team Tiwi with 18-point ball game right now. Pero definitely, Punsalan gusto ko dagdagan ulit.
Yes, coach. Although na-stop nila yung mga 3-point plays in possession ng Malinaw, here's the problem is yung bigsman naman naglalaro sa loob. The presence of the big man.
So ipapahinga muna ng Team Malinaw si Punsalan with Bobbies checking back in here in our ball game.
And that's a good substitution, coach. Para magkaroon din ng fresh legs by last quarter.
With under 3 minutes to go here in our third frame. Rito kontra kay Bobbies. Sa wing, Flores open for 3, no good. At jump ball ang tawag ng ating referee. At ang bola ay mapupunta sa mga nakadilaw. The ball will stay para sa Team Tiwi. Villamonte, Botara sa gitna. Pero meron silang pangalawang pagkakataon. Wala din yon. And
Look at the interior defense, coach, ng Malinaw, no? From defense to offense, trailing the big man, coach. You have to reward this player.
right now, Coach, yung aggressiveness ng Team Tiwi sa kanilang depensa ay hindi natin nararamdaman.
Yes, coach.
And that is why Team Malinaw enjoying a 21-point lead here in our third quarter with 2 minutes and 10 seconds to go here sa ating third frame.
Pero of course, coach, hanggat may oras pa, talagang meron pa silang pag-asa. So,
Pag-asa Rawis
Yeah.
o Pag-asa Daraga?
Doon tayo ko siya malapit lang. Pero yung pag-asa sa Daraga, delikado dyan, coach. Kung ano mga...
Oo. And right now, Kotara with the ball. Looking to trim down the lead para sa mga taga-Tiwi. Flores on top. Back to Kotara. Verano. At nabitawan niya ang bola. At ayan na naman. Team Malinaw stepping on the gas. Bonkodin. Hindi niya nakuha yung bounce zone pero mababalik sa kanya ang bola. Wala pa rin. And another shot for Bobbies.
Yung mga second chance points dito ng Malinaw, talagang either they basket or commit mag-foul ng mga kalaban.
And in that last sequence, nakita natin 3 offensive rebound ang nakuha ng Team Malinaw doon. And kaya ngayon, Bobbies will shoot 2 sa ating free throw line. And he misses the first.
Kung titingnan natin, coach, yung stats ng transition nila, halos konti lang yung turnovers. Lahat converted, either mapa-foul trouble talaga yung kalaban.
And he misses both.
Even the bench players, coach, can play well, no? Yung defense nila or talagang pinaghandaan din nila yung laro na to.
Everybody is contributing para
Yes,
sa Team Malinaw.
And I think so, nag-practice to eh. Kasi ayaw nilang matalo na ulit eh.
Coach, tell us, how important for a basketball team to have or to be consistent or to sustain your practice efforts?
For me, coach, as a coach, kailangan mo talagang maglaan ng time. The most important thing is time. Second is the efforts. So, sabi nga, di ba, ang tunay na official game is yung pag-practice. Kasi during this game, yung mga practice nyo, i-apply mo na lang dito eh.
In that last sequence, natawagan doon ng foul at nag-react din nga yung mga players ng Team Malinaw. They thought na wala namang contact pero definitely iba ang angle ng ating referee.
Yes, coach.
Yun na nga, yung importansya ng pagpa-practice, coach, ay talagang malaking bagay sa isang koponan.
Except yung mga tamad talagang mag-practice, coach.
Oo.
Ala, mga high blood ka lang.
Bonkodin looking to attack. At sa ilalim, at nablangka din siya. At Verano with his, muntik pang mabitawan yung bola doon. kung nabitawan ba niya yung bola to, talaga bang malas yung Team Tiwi?
Pwede, coach.
Pero sinasabi nga natin, coach, merong malas sa opensa pero walang malas sa depensa.
Sa depensa. Yan ang sinasabi ko pala. So at least wag silang give up sa depensa nila.
And another basket courtesy of another offensive rebound. So definitely, ang Team Tiwi ngayon pinapatay ng offensive rebounds ng Team Malinaw.
Yes, coach. And mostly lang lahat ng mga offensive rebounds nila, karamihan converted at meron pang kasamang foul.
And we are under minute to go here in our third quarter. And a 22-point lead para sa Team Malinaw.
Even yung mga free throws, napaka-easy na lang sa Malinaw.
Oo, kasi siguro nakuha na nila ang kanilang kumpiyansa with this big lead.
Uuwi to, coach, ni dalawa sa first district. Yung isa malungkot, yung isa may pag-asang
Oo.
makapasok sa second round.
Sa mga kasurog, itong dalawang koponan ay parehas na wala pang panalo.
Yes, so kailangan talaga nila ngayong manalo. And at least, pag nanalo sila, having the opportunity na magkaroon ng winning streak in their
Oo.
next game.
Para makasali din sila sa winning column.
Yes.
Bonkodin exploding to the basket with his hop step and yung kanyang layup going to the left.
Very effective yung favorite move ng batang
Oo.
coach, no? Medyo madadala ka talaga ng konti sa hop step and at the same time yung movement, yung action ng kamay mo parang fake lang.
And 2 seconds to go here in our third. And at the end of our third quarter, mananatili ang kalamangan sa Team Malinaw with 92-71 kontra dito sa Team Tiwi. Magbabalik po kami dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya. O kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal. Nahahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol. Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List. Asimkan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Nag-oral ako sa imo. Aram mo may akong anak kitag-relasyon ka.
Para mo palang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sako. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin ang magulang niya.
Kung dili sa Baskaran, wala petisyon din. Napangitan na sa amon, mga sabiyo na sa na.
Kung di sana nagadag sa akin, kunay man ako sa iyo magad sa pinto.
And we are back sa ating fourth and final quarter ng labanang First District featuring Team Malinaw versus Team Tiwi. And right now, Team Malinaw enjoying a 21-point lead.
Yes, coach, this is the reason why enjoying their 21-point lead. It's because of these players na to. Blanca with 26 points, 1 rebound, 3 assists. Punsalan with 17 points, 7 rebounds. And Seriola with 16 points and 4 rebounds. Also for Tiwi, Gandol with 20 points, 5 rebounds. Rito with 17 points, 5 rebounds. And Cepeda with 8 points and 2 rebounds.
At yun na nga ulit ang sasandalan with Blanca right now. Checks back in here in our ball game starting this fourth. At yun, makakascore doon ang team Tiwi.
It's because of the nice drop pass from Gandol.
Blanca kontra kay Villamonte sa kabilang dulo. Boncodin asking for a pick pero hindi niya nagamit yon.
Nagkaroon lang siya. Nagkaroon lang ng fake
Punsalan
screen.
with another jumper using the glass for 2.
Pangatlo na yun niya, coach.
Oo. And Villamonte kontra Boncodin. Another good matchup there. Boncodin kontra kay Villamonte. Good pass from Rito.
That's a good entry pass from Rito.
To Bobby's scoring his 2 points. Blanca being hounded by Boncodin. See some space. Wala doon. Pero mababalik yan kay Blanca. And mababalik ulit.
Even the active hands from the guards, coach, makikita mo dito sa Malinaw eh. Yung hustle to recover the transition, andyan.
Lilipad si Boncodin pero Tiburcio is right there for the rebound. Buti na lang at na-depensahan siya ni Rito. Now Gandol. Gandol attacking and missing.
Wala sa condition, coach, yung Gandol.
And Boncodin to Seriola. Fake, Tiburcio. Wala. At sa kanya pa rin ang rebound. Seriola. Traveling there.
Nawagan ng traveling.
It took
na
an
rin.
extra step doon
Steps.
sa last possession na yon.
Only Giannis lang, coach, ang makakagawa lang noon eh.
Long strides
Yes.
ni Yanis.
Siguro naka-4 na steps na tayo. 1 step pa lang kay Giannis.
But right now, Villamonte, they are trailing by 21. Gandol for his 3. Wala yun. At Boncodin with a running start. Tiburcio was stripped but fouled and he will troop to the line for a 2 free throws. At meron tayong substitution here. Flores will check back in replacing Bobbies.
Nakita talaga nila, coach, dito yung advantage. Consistent sila from first until now. Actually, mas na-appreciate ko ngayon yung mga big man nila. Kasi they are trailing, effort to get the rebound, crashing the boards. Very efficient sila, coach, sa loob ng paint eh.
But definitely, you cannot win a game if you are not going to score.
Yes.
If you get those defensive rebound, you must convert a point to the other side of the court. And Tiburcio right now shooting his second shot. Looking to have a 20-point lead. 22-point lead pero hindi niya yun na-score at mananatili yan sa 21. Villamonte.
Medyo pagod na rin kasi yung Tiburcio eh.
At nabasa yun ni Seriola and now
tingnan mo
Boncodin. Good defense there for Cepeda and Cepeda looking to attack. A dish to Rito and Rito making that shot.
Medyo nararamdaman na rin dito yung fatigue factor ng Punsalan eh. O wala na, hindi na siya nakaka-defense ng maayos.
Tiburcio missing his layup pero babalikan sa kanya. Good pass. At nakapulot ng foul doon si Seriola.
Pero at least kahit medyo napapagod na, andito pa rin yung Tiburcio. Makikibakbakan pa rin until the end of this game.
And right now, Lianco replacing Boncodin and Verano for Villamonte.
Ang ganda ng substitution, coach ng guards ng Malinaw, no? Yung isa na magaling sa half step, ito naman yung magaling magdepensa. Plus meron kang magaling na another guard, which is si Leo Blanca.
But right now, Team Malinaw all smiles because of this lead. Bobby's been challenged by Tiburcio at yun na nga at namimintis nila yung mga open looks na gano'n.
Another offensive rebound from Punsalan.
And the ball will go to the Team Tiwi.
Halos yung turnover nila, coach, sa transition. Halos limit lang, no?
And again, we welcome you all sa ating live coverage ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Napapanood niyo po kami ngayon sa aming mga Facebook pages na Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List, at sa page ni Representative Saldi Co. At natutunghayan niyo po ang labanang First District Team Tiwi kontra sa Team Malinaw. And right now, Team Tiwi trailing by a 20-point deficit.
Iyan na naman yung transition.
And ang sabi ng ating referee, last touch doon, si Tiburcio. That is why mapupunta ang bola sa mga naka-asul.
Yung sipag ng Tiburcio, coach.
And a blocking foul called sa mga nakadilaw. Pero wala pa naman sila sa penalty.
Kumbaga sa coach, sa player comparison sa PBA, parang Pingres lang to, no? Mark Pingres, yung sipag.
And Team Malinaw right
Ayan na
now,
naman, yung fast break.
Lianco. And I think there is an unsportsmanlike foul call there. And right now, the referee is talking to Coach Jay Rodrigueza.
And I think gusto niya
What do you think in that last sequence?
Yung angle kasi, coach, will definitely ibibigay natin doon sa referee kasi para sa akin medyo okay naman yung depensa ng ginawa ng Tiwi, but of course medyo blindside tayo dito sa areang to, so that's why baka siguro may nakitang medyo hindi siya away from the ball na tinatawag, coach.
And that is right. So right now Lianco shooting his 2 free throws but he misses it though, and mababalik ang bola sa mga nakadilaw with under 6 minutes to go dito sa ating ball game. Blanca to Tiburcio, good drop off pero nice recovery on the part of Flores.
Wala na, nagre-relax na lang tong Malinaw eh. Halos inuubos na lang yung oras.
He steps on the line. A turnover there for the Team Malinaw. And Team Tiwi will have the chance to trim down the lead to 19 or 18 via 3-point shot. Gandol to Bobis. Good find din. Dun sa last sequence na yun, nakita natin yung drop-off pass ng Team Tiwi and they converted the basket. They just need to sustain and be consistent sa kanilang.
Yes, coach. Medyo too late na rin yung mga conversion nila. Actually, dapat kanina pa yung ginagawa ni Gandol. Kaso pinipilit niya eh. Kasi he is the main man of this team. That's why yung confidence niya, kailangan niyang mag-take over of this game. But the problem is yung defense is nandun sa kanya in pressure. So, at least maganda yung ginagawa na ngayon.
So right now, Team Malinaw calling for timeout here. Again, we are live here inside the Daraga covered court for another thrilling and exciting games na i-offer po sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Nasa first game pa lamang po tayo, and this day, all the games coming from the first district.
Yes, coach. Kaya let's expect na talagang maraming mga dayo dito.
Oo.
Even family day to, coach. Pero tingnan mo, parang malapit nang mapupuno na naman yung DCC ngayon.
As we had seen the crowd here inside, paiba-iba ang panahon natin. Kanina medyo umuulan, pero ngayon lumabas si Haring Araw.
Medyo mainit na daw kasi, coach, yung
And-
laro ng ng Malinaw eh.
And that because lumabas si Haring Araw, it's because the team Malinaw is shining here in our ball game with this 21-point lead. Rito.
Kakain to, coach, ng mga nakangiti.
To Gandol. Gandol slicing through the defense, pero na-drop off niya yun doon. Verano. At ayun na naman, nag-iisa sa kabilang dulo.
Wala na.
Right now, we can see this team, we are frustrated because of those misses na nagagawa nila dito sa kanilang court.
Yes. But again, coach, this is a good learning in this game kasi they can also use it for the future games, di ba?
And Gandol hitting his 3 points. Iyon ang unang 3 points ni Gandol dito sa ating second half.
Yes.
Seriola. Binabantayan ni Bobby. Seriola cutting through at mabibitawan niya ang bola.
Actually, medyo nakaka-create na rin ng good shot selection ngayon si Gandol. Siguro dahil na rin medyo nagkakampante na because of the 18-point lead. Pero syempre, yun nga sinasabi ko, it's too late na, coach. Kahit ano yung effort na gawin mo ngayon, take over sa larong ito, still, sayang yung mga unang possession na ginawa nila.
And right now, ang bola ay mananatili sa Team Tiwi.
Ayan na naman.
And another 3 points there for Flores. And right now, Coach Reynel, only a 15-point lead for the team Malinaw. Is this manageable?
If they are going to create another shot and to convert again their outside shooting, coach, possible kasi it's 3 minutes pa naman eh. Kayang pa naman to.
Gandol looking to attack. Kapus lang doon ang kanyang layup. Pero ang bola ay mananatili sa Team Tiwi. Gandol all alone. At wala pa rin yung kanyang tira.
Sayang, coach, yung momentum, no? It's an opportunity sana to trim down the lead.
Blanca. And a basket. Again, same story for Team Tiwi. They had their own mini run, pero naka-counter attack agad din sila ng Team Tiwi.
Yes, coach. Because of ayaw nilang mabitawan yung pacing ng Malinaw eh. And the reason why kung bakit nangyayari to, it's because of the defense and the mentality of the players running and converting all those transition plays.
With under 3 minutes to go here in our ball game, makakabangon pa ba ang Team Tiwi kontra dito sa Team Malinaw? Flores attacking. Kick out kay Gandol for 3. Wala yon. At another rebound para kay Tiburcio at nandun na naman nag-iisa si Liangco. Tingnan mo ha, 3 pa yung bumaba doon.
And just imagine, from his rebound, coach, nagtitrail siya, dribbling the ball, passing. That's the good thing of having a good big man coach, recognizing his guards. Tsaka yung trust na binigay mo, coach, yun ang hindi mo talaga mababayaran sa mga kakampi mo eh.
And right now, Team Malinaw looking to add some more sa kanilang kalamangan. Seriola wasting away the time as we approach the twilight zone of this ball game. We are under 2 minutes to go sa ating lamanang Team Malinaw versus Team Tiwi. Ayusan. Kapos pa rin yun. Oo, nabola pa nun si Ayusan. 3 seconds violation call there.
This is the problem, coach. Nandun na sana yung momentum. The problem is, medyo pagod na rin. Nararamdaman nila yung pagod. So, consistently, hindi talaga nila nakukonvert yung mga possession nila.
And Blanca,
Gustong mag-isolation yung Blanca.
at yun na nga.
At natawagan ng 3 seconds violation.
At ngayon right now, if you are Team TV right now, Coach Reynel, ano ang kailangan mong maging mindset dito with the losing effort kontra sa Team Malinaw?
They have to still hungry pa rin, coach, and get their first win. And of course, this is a big learning for them to win for their next game.
And I guess,
Even the passes, coach, ng daming turnovers nila.
and right now, it looks like that Team Malinaw will be bagging their first win here in our Ako Bicol Cup. Kurusana.
Hindi
At-
pa rin. Hindi pa rin pinagpapahinga yung Blanca, coach, no?
Oo.
They want to secure this first win.
Tiburcio. Back to Seriola. Nabitawan doon.
That's another turnover from Tiwi, coach.
We are under 40 seconds to go here in our ball game. Tiburcio with the attack there, pero hindi yun na-convert. Kotara on the other side, missing his 3-point shot. Another one. At wala pa rin yan. At meron ka pang chance, pero hindi niya naititira yun. Verano
Wala
exploding
pa rin, coach.
in the last 2 minutes, or I mean the 4 minutes of the Team Tiwi. They cannot buy a shot.
Medyo maalat yung araw nila ngayon, coach.
A good outing for these two teams coming from the first district, Team Tiwi, Team Malinaw. But right now, here in this game, Team Malinaw came victorious and bags their first win of the tournament. Coach, what happened here?
I really like the transition and the transition defense and transition offense of the Malinaw. The consistency of their big man, the consistency of their guards from first to fourth, the final result, makikita mo, coach, rewarded yung ginawa ng team na to. So, sa Tiwi naman, coach, they have to be hungry to get their first win in this league kasi nakadalawa na silang talo, so kailangan nilang matuto, kailangan nilang makuha na yung rhythm and momentum to win this first win, and hopefully makabangon sila and makuha yung first win in this league.
And yun na nga, Coach, ang aasahan natin dito sa Team Tiwi. Definitely Team Tiwi will bounce back and hope to get their first win here in our Ako Bicol Cup. Pero right now, sino ang ating Representative Saldico Kasurug player of the game?
Okay, coach, let's congratulate the best player of the game from Malinaw. It's Rex Seriola, which is with 26 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, and 4 steals.
At yun na nga ang ating Representative Saldico, best player of the ball game. And ating final score, 90-104. Team Malinaw bags their first win here in our tournament. At kami po ay magbabalik for more action dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya. O kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol, Tabang Ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List, asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Natiuran ako sa imo. Aram mo may akong anak gipagrelasyon ka.
Aram mo palang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sako. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin ang magulang niya.
Kung dito sa Baskaran, wala kitis yung hindi. Nang pangitan na sa amon, mga sabiyo na sana.
Kung di sana nagadag sa akin, wala man ako sa iya magad sa pinto.